Let us continue the cross product topic. Now we are in cross product of vectors. Among cross product of vectors, until yesterday we discussed about concept, and today I am discussing about level 1 classwork and level 1 homework, which are important in MSET topic. So in cross product of vectors, level 1 classwork completed in previous class. Now let us discuss level 1 homework. Level 1 homework also, according to schedule I am writing 1, 9, remaining sums you can do, students. 1, 9, 12, 17, 18, 20, 25, 25, next 33, 34, 39, 41, already completed, 2 times the question repeated, 41, 44, 45. So let us discuss about first question. If the vector C bar comma A bar is equal to Xi bar plus Yj bar plus Zk bar, C bar comma A bar is equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk, and B bar is equal to J bar R, forms RHS. RHS means right-handed system. Right-handed system. We know that right-handed system is I cross J equal to K, J cross K is equal to I, and K cross I equal to J, like that. So you can say here RHS concept, C cross A first into second equal to third, like that. A cross B is equal to C, next, like that you can write. Last, B cross C is equal to A. So according to this one, which we should use? So B, I cross J, like that, I cross J, J cross K, like that. C comma, he given that C, a vector given, C comma A comma B are such that ACB forms. He given the condition, not simply forming, ACB forms. So we should not write here. ACB forms. ACB forms RHS. B is equal to J, such that, we should write here, such that ACB forms the given vector, such that ACB forms RHS. So A cross C is equal to B according to this one. A cross C is equal to B, and C cross B is equal to A, and B cross A is equal to C. So wherever it is possible, like that we should do. We should calculate C. So C we should get. So C we should get means this one you should take. You should consider C bar is equal to, consider, according to option, consider C bar is equal to B bar cross A bar. What is B bar here? J cross. J cross Xi plus Yj plus Zk. Xi plus Yj plus Zk. That is equal to, you can write here, J cross I means minus K. So minus Xk plus J cross J 0, and J cross K is I. Zi, that's all. Zi minus xk he given. The option is 1. Option 1. Next, 9th question. Let us discuss about 9th question. Given that A bar is equal to 1, 1, 1. A bar is equal to 1, 1, 1. Components he given, not in vector form. Next, C bar is equal to 0, 1, minus 1. If A bar dot B bar equal to 3, and A bar cross B bar is equal to C, A bar cross B bar equal to C bar, that implies what is B bar. So verification of option is better thing. verification of option 1, we can put a bar dot b bar equal to 3. Other than option 1, nothing is possible here. 1 by 5 into 5y plus 2j plus 2k. 5y plus 2j plus 2k. So, a bar dot b bar, here I am thinking about a dot b is equal to 3. So, here you can write 5 plus 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2, no, here 1 by 3 students. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 3, that's all. If you are getting any doubt, sir, second option, third option also will be verified, then you can do using A cross B is equal to C. Using this option cross product also you calculate, then you will be getting the first option only. Now, 12th one. 12th one. A is equal to I plus J. A bar is equal to I plus J. And B bar is equal to 2I minus K. B bar is equal to 2I minus K. R bar cross A bar. R bar cross A bar is equal to B bar cross A bar, comma, R bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. So, what is the value? R cross A, you take this step this side. R bar minus B bar cross A bar equal to 0. And here you can write R bar minus A bar cross B bar equal to 0. R bar minus B bar parallel to A and R bar minus A bar parallel to B. Now what we should calculate? Read the question. A I plus J, B 2I minus K, R cross A is equal to B cross A given. Then R cross B is equal to A cross B. R cross A equal to B cross A given and R cross B equal to A cross B also given. So we should calculate the vector R bar. Now we got R bar minus A bar is equal to B bar. So R bar minus B bar parallel, we can write R bar minus B bar parallel to A bar. Parallel. Here R bar minus A bar parallel to B bar. So what is the R you think? Whether it is first option minus I plus J plus K, minus I minus 2I, J get cancelled, K. Minus 2I plus K and R bar minus A bar, it is parallel to B, it's okay. Second thing, R bar minus B bar. So minus I minus 2I, minus 3I it becomes, it is not possible. So not minus I minus 2I and plus K minus K, 0. So A, you will not get the answer. So, by verification, third option is better. Third option I am writing. Both verification. Third option R bar is equal to 3I minus J, 3I plus J minus K. Now, I am writing R bar minus B bar. This one, subtract this one. 3I minus 2I becomes I. J you can write minus K plus K. Get cancelled. This is in the form of parallel to A bar, it's okay. Next, R bar minus A bar I am saying. 3I minus I, it becomes 2I plus J, J will be getting cancelled, minus K. This is as it is B bar. So, verified third option. Next, let us discuss 12th completed. Let us discuss 17th question, which is in AIEEE 2002. 17th question. A, B given two vectors. A bar is equal to 3I minus 5j and B bar is equal to 6I plus 3j. Are two vectors and C bar is a vector such that C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar he given. 17th question. A bar equal to, it is an easy question. A bar equal to 3I minus 5j, B bar is equal to 6I plus 3j and C bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. Then find mod A is to mod B is to mod C. Find modulus of A bar is to modulus of B bar is to modulus of C bar. So what is the modulus? The value of magnitude. So AB he given. Using AB, A cross B should calculate C. Put here IJK, and this is a 3, this is minus 5, 0, this is a 6, this is 3, this is 0. Directly also can calculate. Okay. I into this is 0, minus J into also 0. Simply you write K, minus J into 0, plus K into 3, these are 9 plus 30, 39. So what is the magnitude of this one? Root of 9 plus 25, root 34 is to magnitude 36 plus 9. So this is root 45. This magnitude root 39 simply. Root 34 is to root 45 is to root 39. This is a triple easy question. 18th one. 18th one, G is the center of triangle PQR where here concept I am writing. The concept in straight lines we discussed that in triangle ABC, this is a G, this is GJB triangle, GBC triangle, GAC triangle. Triangle ABC is equal to triangle ABC equal to 3 times of triangle, 3 times of triangle GAB or 3 times of triangle 3 GBC or 3 times of triangle GAC. We discussed in first year straight lines. So now let us discuss about the GP he given. He put the names PQR. No problem. PQR. You can put the names here PQR. According to question, if this is P, this is Q, this is R, centroid is G. According to GP, GQ I am discussing now. GP vector given as GP is equal to 2I plus J plus 3K. Next GQ, GP he given and GQ he given. GQ is equal to I minus J plus 2K. Then the area of triangle PQR is asking. So you should calculate the area of GP cross GQ, this one. Area of, I am writing here, area of GPQ. Area of GPQ is equal to 1 by 2 into GP cross GQ. 1 by 2 into GP cross GQ. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, put here IJK and GP 213 and 1 minus 1 2. Now we can write using this one 1 by 2 into 2 plus 3, this is 5I minus j into 4 minus 3 plus, so minus j plus k into minus 2 minus 1, so it is minus 3k. Whether he given magnitude area or vector area, magnitude area he given. So 18 triangle I am discussing about GPQ. GPQ triangle area magnitude 25 plus 1 plus 9, 25 plus 1 plus 9 whole by 2, that is root of 35 by 2. Therefore delta PQR I am saying, delta PQR equal to 3 times, so 3 by 2 into root 35, that's all. Second option. Let us discuss about 20th sum. This is easy sum, but some shortcut is there. Let us discuss about the shortcut. 20th question we faced in plane concept also the question. In 3-dimensional geometry also we discussed regarding the question. So the 20th question, the area of triangle we is discussing by the points A, B, C. Let us write the question. Concept I am writing. For 20th question, 20th question concept is 20th question concept. Area of, let us write the triangle. The triangle formed. The triangle formed with the points. The triangle formed with the points A. Capital A within the brackets alpha, beta, gamma. Capital A, alpha, beta, gamma. capital B beta, gamma, alpha, capital C gamma, alpha, beta. These are called as cyclic expressions. Alpha, beta, gamma, alpha, beta. The triangle formed with the points is an equilateral triangle. It is the formula. An equilateral triangle. Triangle A alpha beta gamma, B beta gamma, C gamma alpha is always an equilateral triangle. So A vertex is alpha beta gamma and B vertex is beta gamma alpha and C vertex is gamma alpha beta. It is an equilateral triangle. We know that area of equilateral triangle is equal to formula. We know that root 3 by 4 a square and h is equal to, let us remember the thing, h equal to root 3 by 2a. So depends upon this concept, you can say that 20th question he given as 1, 2, 3. Here he put the names 1, 2, 3 here and 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2. Using the vector concept you can write AB cross AC 1 by 2 AB cross AC modulus, you will be getting the answer, and easily you can calculate here root 3 by 4 into A square is capital A area. What is A? Distance between AB. 2 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 3 minus 2 whole square 1. So 1 plus 1 and 3 minus 1 whole square 4. 1 plus 4 it is root 6. So this you can write as root 18 by 4. According to option, root 18 can be written as 3 root 2. 3 root 2 by 2. 3 root 2 by 2 he given as root 2 into root 2 into 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled. He given the answer as 3 by 2 root 2. 3 by 2 root 2 is the area he given in 20th question. 20th question. 3 root 3. Just wait. 20th question option he given as first option. 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2 he got. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. Root 3 by 4 A square. A square. A square value 6. Not root 6. So 6. 2 times get cancelled here, 3 times get cancelled. Simply we got 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. Next 20th completed. Let us discuss about 25th question. 25th question, the vector orthogonal to 2 vectors is given and that should have magnitude 5. Students, you know the all questions. Every student can do all the questions, but what is important in examination point of view, I am discussing level 1 also. The vector orthogonal to 3, the vector orthogonal to A bar is equal to 2i plus j, 2i plus j minus 3k. The vector orthogonal to 2i plus j minus 3k. This is first vector and B bar is I minus 2j plus k, and having magnitude equal to 5. Whenever he given magnitude equal to 5, you should consider in the denominator magnitude also. So Ij required vector I am writing. What is required vector? The vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Required vector is A cross B by plus or minus, you can put here, plus or minus A bar cross B bar by modulus of A bar cross B bar. Put here I, j, k, and you can write here 2, 1, minus 3 and here 1 minus 2, 1. Now that is equal to I into 1 plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus j into 2 plus 3 5 plus k into minus 2 minus 1 minus 5. So minus 5 you can take common or 5 you take common. 5 into minus I minus j minus k by the vector. This is A cross B we have. This is A cross B. Required vector. I want to discuss with you required vector what he given with magnitude, required vector with magnitude 5. So he given the magnitude 5. Generally we can written here a bar cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to 5 into this one, mod a cross b equal to 5 into root 3. So whenever you are putting the value plus or minus a cross b by mod a cross b, 5 into minus I minus j minus k by 5 root 3. So 5 and 5 used to get cancelled. Here whenever he given the magnitude, you should not get cancelled the 5. So that all I said that you should consider the magnitude also. That is equal to, you can write here 5 into plus you can take plus or minus given. Minus I plus j plus k given. 25th question. 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 1 is there. I into the vector 2, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 1. I into 1 minus 6 minus j into 2 plus 3. So okay. Plus k into minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Total minus taken common. Then you can write here plus value. So plus or minus 5 root 3. Plus or minus 5 into like this you write. I plus j plus k whole by, don't write 5 root 3. Simply write root 3. He given as 5 root 3 into I plus j plus k whole by 3, which multiplied with root 3. It is nothing but rationalization. Let us discuss about 33rd question. 33rd question I said mod A is equal to, mod A is equal to 2, mod B equal to 2 and P is equal to A plus B. Given the data P is equal to A plus B. I think we already discussed this sum. P bar is equal to A plus B and Q is equal to A minus B. Not modulus is there. P bar is equal to A plus B, Q bar is equal to A minus B. Q bar is equal to A minus B. And modulus of P cross Q, modulus of P cross Q is equal to 2 into K minus A dot B whole square. Total power 1 by 2. I think we discussed this one level 1 class 2 third question. You can see the question here 16 you may get. 33 completed. K is equal to 16. In theory it's also completed. MSET important question like that I said regarding the 33 question. This 33 question repeated 3 times. Theory bits second question and level 1 class 1 third question and level 1 homework 33rd question. Now let us discuss about 34th question. If u bar v bar are unit vectors and theta is the acute angle between them, u bar unit vector mod u equal to 1 and this is mod v equal to 1, angle between u bar comma v bar is equal to theta. Then he is asking the vector 2u cross 3v bar. If we multiplied with a vector with a scalar, then the angle will not be changed. So that implies you can write 2u bar comma 3v bar also theta, there will be no change. If he given minus negative direction, the angle will be obtuse. If he did not mention about notation, so no need to put minus. It is simple angle. Now consider it. Consider theta we should calculate. So according to option we can go. Consider 2u cross, he is asking 2u cross 3v whole square. So let us discuss the value according to cross multiplication, cross product theory. 4 mod u square. 2u cross 3v whole square you can write 4 mod u square into 9 mod v square into sine of 2u bar comma 3v bar. What is the value of mod u? Since they are unit vectors, you can write here 36 into 1 into 1. You can write here now 36 sine square theta. That's all. So 2u bar cross 3v bar is equal to 6 sin theta you can write. Taking modulus, it becomes 6 sin theta. Depends upon maybe minimum and maximum values. According to option 34, 6 sin theta is there. So exactly one value of theta, according to option he given as 34, fourth option. So exactly one value, exactly two values, more than two values, like that he given. So whenever it is a sine 36 sin square theta, it is 6 sin theta. There is no question of angle. If he give acute angle, okay, he given. Very good. Theta belongs to, like this you write 0 comma pi by 2. This is acute angle. Whenever he given acute angle, then we have only one value. Now you can write here, it has exactly one value. If you did not mention about the angle, then you can say two values. Exactly one value. Maybe anything sin theta between the value sin theta between minus 1 comma 1. If it is between minus 1 comma 1, we will get the value only exactly one value. Now let us discuss about 39th question. Let A bar unit vector perpendicular to unit vectors B cross C, and if the angle between B and C is alpha, then what is the value of B cross C he is asking. A bar B unit vector, modulus A is equal to 1, that he given, and A bar is perpendicular to both B bar comma C bar. That implies you can try to understand as if the vector perpendicular to both B and C, then A bar is equal to B cross C. If the perpendicular to unit vectors B bar and C bar, the angle between B bar and C is alpha, then what is the value of B cross C? Find B cross C. So if we consider A bar whole square, if we consider and write, consider A bar whole square. So A bar whole square considering, then you write B bar cross C bar whole square. What is the value of B bar cross C bar? Mod B square into mod B square into sin square alpha. The value need not, perpendicular, just read the question. A bar unit vector perpendicular to unit vectors B bar and C bar. Okay. Then also he given mod B bar is equal to 1 and mod C bar equal to 1. So 1 is equal to here 1 into sin square alpha. 1 into sin square alpha. Then A bar is unit vector perpendicular to he given, it's okay. Next, if you say A bar square 1 into 1, we got the value now. Sin square alpha is equal to 1. So sin alpha equal to 1. So plus or minus 1 you can put. What he is asking? B bar cross C bar. Let's put the equation 1. From 1 I am writing. From 1 B cross C. B cross C is equal to A. If you multiply with this one, A, then the value sin alpha, we got the sin alpha equal to 1, then B cross C is equal to, you can say, sin alpha into A. A is equal to B cross C. If you multiply with A bar dot A bar, then you can write that by, I am writing here, by 1, from 1, by multiplying A bar. That implies A bar dot A bar. So simply one A bar, taking modulus, A bar dot A bar. So mod A square you can try to understand. Mod A square is equal to B cross C into mod A bar, simply A bar. So you can write here the value we got sin alpha. So sin alpha plus or minus you put here, plus or minus sin alpha into A bar. 39 question completed. Let us discuss about 41 question. 41 question, plenty of times we discussed. In IP also you learnt. In AIEEE 2002, he given the value. 42 question, formula I am writing. A cross I whole square modulus of a cross a whole square plus modulus of a cross j whole square plus modulus of a cross k whole square equal to 2 mod a square. So what is the value he given here? A is equal to 2i minus j plus 2k he given. So that implies 2 into, let this one you can write the formula. So 2 into mod a square, 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9, 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9, that's all. This is mod square. So 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Next, let us discuss about 44th question. 44th question, point of intersection of lines is discussing. Point of intersection of lines. R bar cross A bar. R bar cross A bar equal to B bar cross A bar. And this is first one. And R bar cross B bar is equal to A bar cross B bar. So let us write this one. R bar cross first equation and second equation. If we can add the two lines, A cross B plus B cross A. Let us write here, taken this side, R bar cross A bar minus B bar cross A bar equal to 0 bar. So R bar cross A bar, now you can write here R bar minus B bar cross A bar equal to 0 bar. Here R bar cross B bar minus A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. So R bar taken common, here you can write R bar minus A bar cross B bar equal to 0 bar. Here R bar minus B bar, you can write R bar minus B bar parallel to A, and here you can write R bar minus A bar parallel to B. So you can write here R bar minus B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. Here you can write R bar minus A bar is equal to lambda into B bar. R bar is equal to lambda A bar plus B bar. Here R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Let it be third equation and let it be fourth equation. Then we can try to understand the values regarding R bar, both are equal. So if you equate 3 and 4, equate 3 and 4, since I am writing, since 3 equal to 4, if we equate the value 3 and 4, then we can write here lambda A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Now I am writing here compare vectors. So comparing vectors both sides. If we compare vectors both sides, then lambda is equal to 1 we can write. If you substitute the value lambda equal to 1, then let it be, put a Roman number 1 here. From 1 I am writing here, from Roman number 1. From 1 you can write R bar is equal to, lambda means 1, A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus B bar is the point of intersection of given two lines. Next, let us discuss about 45th question. The moment about the point. In each and every level, he is giving about the physics question. The moment are here, we can represent it as a torque tau. Here, I said the main thing that every student should not get confused. The data about the point is the first point. About the point. Whenever he given about the point means first point. Previously I said, let it be the name P. If he given it is a Q, you can put. He did not give any name. About the point, you can think as the first point. Next, through the point, you can understand as it is the second point. Second point, put Q. Next, force. Force, you can indicate with the letter F bar. Now you read the moment about the point. Here, about the point is P here. This is P. 1, 2, 3 he given. I am writing here components 1, 2, 3. For of a force represented by, this is force. Read the question, don't get confused, then you will be getting an idea. F is equal to I plus J plus K, and this is a Q. Q is through the point 2 comma 3 comma 1. Now moment or torque indicate with the letter torque tau. Tau is equal to R cross F. What is R? QP is R. QP means go of second letter, PQ here. Here PQ. Here PQ means R. OQ minus OP, you can write here 2 minus 1. 1 comma 3 minus 2, 1 comma 1 minus 3 minus 2. This is 3 students. 2 comma 3 comma 1, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now torque tau I am writing using determinant IJK, and R bar is the displacement here 1 comma minus 2, and force is given 1 1 1. So let us calculate 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 3I minus j into 1 plus 2, this is also 3, and plus k into 0, no need to write. So torque tau is equal to 3. If you take common, it becomes I minus j. So 3I minus 3j, first option is given. So we completed module 1 homework. Module 1 homework completed in cross product. So let us discuss level 2 classwork in tomorrow class. Okay.